golden age of American muscle. One brand lived in the shadows of giants, not as loud as Ford, not as flashy as Chevrolet. But when Mercury built muscle, they built it with purpose, and sometimes they barely built them at all. These are the rarest Mercury muscle cars ever made. Machines so limited, they've become legends. Number 5. The Racer's Tribute. The 1969 Mercury Cyclone Dan Gurney Special, named after racing icon Dan Gurney. This wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Just over 500 built, bold stripes, race-inspired attitude. It looked fast standing still, and it had the power to back it up. But this wasn't just about looks. Under the hood, a 351 cubic inch V8, breathing through raw American muscle, responsive, unfiltered, alive. It wasn't the biggest engine of its time, but it didn't need to be. This car was balanced, dialed in, built for drivers who understood the road and respected the edge. Number 4. The 1969 Mercury CYCLONES CJ. This is where Mercury got serious. Under the hood, the legendary Cobra jet, a name that didn't whisper, it hit. Hard, 428 cubic inches of intent, built in the heat of the horsepower wars, when numbers mattered, and reputations were earned a quarter mile at a time, raw, aggressive, unapologetic. This wasn't refined, it was relentless. Mercury didn't build this to blend in with its Ford cousins. They built it to stand toe-to-toe with the best. And on the strip, it delivered. Fewer than 1,000 produced, each one carrying the weight of a moment when muscle cars ruled the streets, and power was everything. And every single one of them meant business. Number 3. The 1970 Mercury Cyclone Spoiler 2. This wasn't just a muscle car, this was a weapon. Built for NASCAR, where speed wasn't optional, and aerodynamics meant survival. At a glance, it looked different, longer, lower, sharper. That extended aerodynamic nose wasn't for style. It was engineered to cut through the air at speeds most street cars would never see. Mercury knew the rules. To dominate on Sunday, they had to build it on Monday. So they created just enough, a few hundred cars, to satisfy homologation. No more, no less. Every line, every panel, every inch of this machine was shaped by one goal: win. On the track, it hunted, drafting, passing, pushing the limits of control at over 180 miles per hour. This wasn't comfort, this wasn't luxury, this was competition in its purest form. The street version? That was just a requirement, a technicality, because this car was never meant to belong to the road. The road just happened to come with it. Number 2, the beginning of the end. The 1971 Mercury Cyclone GT. By 1971, the cracks were already showing, not in the metal, but in the world that built it. Insurance costs were rising, emissions rules were tightening, and suddenly, horsepower wasn't just expensive, it was under scrutiny. The golden age of muscle was being rewritten in real time. Compression dropped, restrictions crept in, and the raw edge that defined a generation began to dull, and the cars felt it. Still powerful, still aggressive by any normal standard, but compared to what came before, something was missing. Only a few hundred Cyclone GTs survived that year. Not because they weren't worthy, but because the world was changing faster than they could. Still powerful, still proud. But the numbers told the truth. The era of abundance was over, and somewhere down that empty road, the end was already closing in. And number 1, the final cyclone. the rarest Mercury muscle car ever built. The 1972 Mercury Montego Cyclone. 30, that's it, 30 cars to end an era. By 1972, the Cyclone wasn't even its own model anymore. It had been reduced, stripped back, redefined as an option package on the Mercury Montego. A name carried forward on a body that didn't fully belong to it. But even in its final form, it refused to disappear quietly. Underneath the restraint, the restrictions, the compromise, it still carried the heartbeat of a muscle car, ram air, big block power, a last attempt to hold on to what was already slipping away. This wasn't about dominance anymore. It was about presence. A final statement written in horsepower, before silence took the pen. From dominance to decline, from thousands to just 30. Mercury's muscle legacy didn't fade, it vanished. And the rarest of them all was the one that said goodbye. For more amazing car reveals, subscribe to Muscle Cars Legends, where horsepower becomes history.